You fire up your vehicle on a chilly morning, expecting a smooth idle, but instead the engine sputters aggressively, hesitates when you touch the gas pedal, and you notice your fuel economy has recently plummeted. These frustrating drivability issues, accompanied by a bright check engine light, are the classic signs of a P0099 diagnostic trouble code, which indicates your powertrain control module is receiving a completely intermittent or erratic electrical signal from the intake air temperature sensor number 2. My 5-year-old son Gokturk is absolutely fascinated by biology and human anatomy right now, and I often explain to him that a car engine breathes oxygen just like our lungs do, and it relies on a delicate nervous system to analyze that air. The intake air temperature sensor is a critical part of that system, usually mounted directly inside the air intake pipe or integrated right into the mass airflow sensor housing. Inside this tiny plastic component is a sensitive thermistor wire whose electrical resistance changes drastically depending on how cold the incoming air is. The engine computer desperately needs a steady, uninterrupted voltage reading from this sensor to calculate the exact density of the oxygen entering the intake manifold so it can perfectly balance the fuel injection strategy. When the computer detects that this crucial temperature signal is dropping out randomly or bouncing around erratically, it loses its ability to dial in that perfect air-to-fuel ratio, causing the engine to surge, run rich, or stumble hard on acceleration. Before you buy expensive replacement parts, pop the hood and perform a thorough visual inspection of the air filter box. By far, the single most common cause of this specific intermittent code is simple human error during routine maintenance. Technicians frequently unplug the air temperature sensor connector to replace a dirty air filter and simply forget to snap it back securely into place, leaving the connector loose enough to randomly lose contact as the engine vibrates. If the connector is physically locked and tight, you need to grab a digital multimeter and carefully probe the 2 wires to verify you have a rock-solid 5-volt reference signal and a clean ground. You should also inspect the fragile internal thermistor wire, as a tiny crack can cause an open circuit whenever it heats up.